Here comes the Hitman.
Oh yeah, the excellence of execution.
The following contest is a submission match. Making his way to the ring from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing in at 235 pounds.
I gotta say, guys, it is an absolute honor to be here ringside to call a match featuring the excellence of execution.
How funny it is to hear you change your tune, Saxton. You've been complaining about the Hitman's attitude recently, and I think it's ridiculous. The only thing you've ever excelled at is being subpar.
I have the utmost respect for Bret Hart, but I don't appreciate the fact that he seems to not believe that people still respect him the way they have over the last 10 years.
Good brother time.
And his opponent, by way of Tokyo, Japan, weighing in at 213 pounds, Karl Anderson.
One of the most ruthless superstars on WWE's roster, known to raise hell in the ring and raise hell after the show like nobody else in the business.
Whether it's in Japan or even here in WWE, we've seen Karl Anderson as a tag team specialist, but take nothing away from this man's singles ability inside the ring.
These competitors are squaring off, looking to outmatch each other.
It's going to be a tall task for one of these two.
Karl Anderson looking to do right by the club and beat somebody up tonight.
Now, whether alone or in tag action, Anderson's skills are too sweet.
Oh, clothesline!
Oh boy.
Man, what a slam!
Lariat!
Karl Anderson starting to slow a bit. I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
Gotta like this strategy, just wearing him down, waiting for that perfect time to slap on the submission hold.
What a stomp!
Good grief. Elbow finds its mark.
Bret Hart knows what he's doing, but if it was me, I would not be taunting anybody right now.
This might be it!
Oh my.
What should Karl Anderson's mindset be at this point in time? I'd say he's starting to feel the pressure a bit.
If he keeps absorbing much more punishment, he may have no other choice but to give up here.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, here it comes! Pile driver!
Can he end it here?
Bret Hart is rolling now.
Bret Hart is measuring. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Whoa, Anderson dodged that one.
Yeah, no question. He's showing great energy as usual.
Boom!
Rocket kick.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
He might have it. Karl Anderson is looking to end this right now. Is he done? And he breaks free.
Just when you thought he was out of this one. And Bret Hart slips out of harm's way.
So quick. The Hitman looks to end things. Is he done? He persevered through this submission match, and it's finally over. Now let's take another look at these guys in action.
Who could forget this? He's getting after it here.
I know the match was solidly entertaining, but I really hope these guys would take it to the next level. Regardless, nobody's asking for their money back.
Here is your winner, Bret, the Hitman, Hart.
And that's a win to start off the night.
If that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
What a way to kick off the night. Don't go anywhere, folks. We're just getting started.